Welcome guys to this video. Now you are going to see me, how I'm coming here, want to train some things, flying backwards and reverse splitters. You're going to see the intro right now, but it happened very bad. I stuck in the tree and you will see how I saved my quad. So enjoy! Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today what I'm going to do, I'm going to train. I want to train reverse flying, flying backwards and reverse split airs. We will see how it ends. Maybe by the end of the day I have to build a new quad. Reverse split airs, I tried it before. It's quite difficult for me, so let's see how it ends. We start with just some warm-up to get into it. But wait, something misses. Alright, the music. Let's go. The first thing I want to do is to fly backwards. For that I need a reference to see how am I losing height or not. Alright, I will search for a good reference and then get started. Okay, let's try this. I think the woods are over there are pretty good. I will start here. And just okay, I'm getting high. It's good. Getting high is better than like getting low. How was that? Oh, good as well. All right, that was perfect, or at least almost perfect. Okay, I have to remember the angle of the camera, which I'm not losing height. Okay, now maybe it's a good idea to try it between these trees. Alright, not so bad. Oh, too high. There. I'm just scared to get too aggressive backwards. Alright, that's not bad. Okay. Let's try it again. Oh my god, that was pretty bad. Alright, now this is going okay. I wouldn't say I'm a pro yet, but it's taking the right way. So now I'm going to try a reverse split airs. I'm nervous, but we will see how it goes. Alright, starting then. I will do it in this gap. Have very bad connection over there. Video signal. Way too fast. but I can't get too low because there is a fence. Okay. I guess it's not very nice. No, maybe the trees are not tall enough for this. Damn, bro, this was close. That was very, very close. That's what I meant with maybe I have to build another quad. Okay, it's not that horrible, but no, that's not it. That's not it. Let's try flying backwards again. Okay. I'm still able to do it. Okay, now that I'm yawing. That's not okay. I shouldn't yaw. So I'll get straight in line. Okay, let's try it. It's looking, it's not a reverse split S, not a nice one, but maybe it's another cool trick, which I could call the made in FPV trick. No, just kidding. It doesn't look that bad on my goggles, so maybe I don't know how the HD footage looks like, but no, I'm not. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I'm not rolling enough. I have to roll longer. Okay. Not very clean, but I made it. Okay. Try it again. Oh, something something is wrong. Have to check it. You hear it, right? Oh yeah. Prop is not fixed. Alright, I fixed it. The prop is fixed. It doesn't spin, or it spins with the motor. That's the right way. Alright, I'm not sure. This is my last pack. Should I train or just doing some freestyle here? You know what? I'm doing some freestyle now because as you have seen, my rates are too low for these tricks. I just have to spin a bit faster because how long I'm spinning, I'm losing height. So if I spin that long how I'm doing it right now, I'm losing too much height for this trick. It should look like this, flying, turning around and doing it like that. I hope the camera captured it, what I showed. So I have to get faster in this position. I'm doing it wrong because I'm spinning just like that and doing it and then pitching out. So I have an angle, a roll angle, which is not correct, or it doesn't look good, or at least it's not what I want. So I have to improve my rates. I will come here very soon again and will pitch, how it's called, tune my rates and my PIDs. I think I will do that because after I flash this flight controller, it's a Maytag 405 STD, I guess. So yeah, I didn't tune to the PIDs, so I will have to do this tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. But now I'm doing some freestyle, enjoy, have fun. Sounds nice, right? Well, I stuck in the tree. I have to be honest, I never stuck in a tree before. I always crashed a tree and felt right off. But now I'm hanging in the air. But I don't think it's a big problem to get it. It's just over there. You can't see it, but I do. Somewhere there. Yeah, it's there. Yeah, well, it's a bit higher than I thought it would be. Damn, it's not good to see on the Gopro. Well, I cannot climb the tree. It's a bit too massive to shake the tree. So maybe this. It's a bit too light. Not good. Right, I've got one. Now I have to hurry up because the sun is going down and I would like to have my quadrocopter tonight at my house. So that isn't very nice what I'm doing here, but it's not supposed to be very beautiful. Alright, I think I will throw the rope. It's a bit easier. Or should I? Yeah, okay. I will step on this one and try. Yeah, that's what I call success. Woohoo! Got it! Damn! Yeah, poor baby, you're alright. Not the ending what I wanted, but as I said, maybe I have to build new quad, but no, still alive. So I'm happy now. Like, subscribe if you like this video. Write in the comments what you think, what I can do better, what I'm doing almost good. And see you on the next episode. Till then, happy flying.